Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the basics that matter: hardware and system state. First, confirm the headset or speaker is on, charged, and less than 10 meters away so signal isn't the culprit. Once done, make sure Android isn't in battery saver or do not disturb because those can limit media volume. Now open Settings, go to Bluetooth, and tap the paired device to check profiles and media audio is enabled. This tells you whether the phone is routing sound correctly before deeper fixes. Next, you'll reset how Android routes audio. First, toggle Bluetooth off and on. If that fails, unpair and repair the device. This resets the connection handshake. Then clear the Bluetooth cache in Settings, right arrow, Apps, right arrow, show System Apps, right arrow, Bluetooth, right arrow, Storage, right arrow, clear cache. This removes corrupt routing data. Make sure the playing app isn't forcing a low output by checking its in-app volume and the system's media output selector in Quick Settings. For final resolution, update both your phone and the Bluetooth accessory firmware to eliminate compatibility bugs. Mismatched profiles often cause low volume. Test the accessory with a second phone to determine whether the phone or accessory is at fault. If the problem persists on your phone only, enable developer options, turn on Disable Absolute Volume to separate phone and device volume control, then reboot. This often restores usable levels. If that still fails, try a factory reset as last resort and call support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.